Is someone sweating heavily, feeling dizzy, or becoming confused in the heat? It could be heat exhaustion or something far more dangerous, heat stroke. Knowing the difference can save a life.
Heat exhaustion happens when your body gets too hot, usually because you're dehydrated and have lost too much water and salt through heavy sweating. Signs to watch for include lots of sweating, feeling weak or dizzy, headache, nausea, muscle cramps, cool clammy skin, feeling faint. So what is first aid and what to do? First, move the person to a cool, shady spot. Then loosen tight clothing. Cool their skin with wet cloths or a fan. Offer small sips of cool water or an oral rehydration drink, but only if they're fully awake and able to swallow safely.
Heat stroke is a medical emergency. It is the most severe form of heat-related illness. It occurs when the body's thermoregulation is overwhelmed, causing the core temperature to dangerously spike to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or higher, accompanied by neurological symptoms. It is a life-threatening medical emergency requiring immediate attention. The warning signs include confusion, unusual behavior, seizures, loss of consciousness, or very hot skin. Sweating may be heavy or may stop. What to do? Call emergency medical services immediately and move the person to a cool place and begin rapid cooling. Using cool wet cloths, fanning, or other available cooling methods. Do not give anything by mouth if the person is confused, unconscious, or unable to swallow safely.
But remember that heat exhaustion means the body is struggling with heat. Heat stroke means the body's temperature regulation is failing, and the brain may be affected. So when in doubt, treat suspected heat stroke as an emergency. Recognize the signs quickly. Stay cool, stay safe, and help save a life.